Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block spam calls and messages on Vivo Y04. If you're using Vivo Y04 and now you want to block your spam calls and messages, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone call app, and here you can easily block your spam calls. Just go to three dots in the top right corner, then select settings. From settings, you'll get this caller ID and spam option. Just tap on it, and here you just have to enable these two settings, which is see caller and spam ID. And the second one is filter spam call. It will prevent suspended spam calls from disturbing you. And after that, just go back. And here, if you're still having an issue from any spam numbers, you just easily block them. Just keep a long press on it, then select block or report spam, and here you must have to enable this one, which is report call as spam, and then select block. In this way you can easily block spam call on your phone. After that, just go back, go to home scene, and then select messages app here, and here you just have to look for a spam number. Just keep a long press on it, and then select three dots in the top right corner, then select block. And here in this way you can easily block your spam messages on your Vivo Y04. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.